Ladies and gentlemen, greetings and a warm welcome to all of you. Today, I have the honor of meeting with you all from the platform Buzz Tutorials by Saeed Hassan on YouTube. My name is Mary Cardello, a seasoned marketing professional with a relentless passion for transforming businesses into remarkable success stories. As a certified professional from the Chartered Institute of Marketing, I have garnered extensive experience working remotely for a UK-based company, as well as holding the esteemed position of Director of Marketing at Buzz Marketing Agency, which boasts offices in the USA, UAE, and Pakistan. My journey in the world of marketing has been one of great satisfaction and accomplishment. Throughout my career, I have had the privilege of helping numerous small and large businesses flourish from their humble beginnings. It is the epitome of fulfillment to witness a business grow from scratch, thriving under the guidance of strategic marketing and advertising initiatives. At Buzz Marketing Agency, my role as Director of Marketing allows me to take on diverse challenges, crafting innovative strategies tailored to the unique needs of each client. Together with my team, we have developed powerful campaigns that resonate with audiences and drive tangible results. Our relentless pursuit of excellence has propelled businesses to new heights, solidifying their position in their respective markets. I would request all of you to like, share and subscribe to this channel Buzz Tutorials by Saeed Hassan. Join us on Facebook as Buzz Marketing Agency and my personal Facebook as well. All links are in the video description. In the dynamic landscape of advertising and promotion, it is essential to stay ahead of trends and embrace emerging technologies. I firmly believe that marketing is not just about conveying messages, it is about creating impactful experiences. By leveraging cutting-edge techniques, we captivate audiences, leaving a lasting impression and forging meaningful connections between brands and consumers. One of the cornerstones of my approach is understanding cultural nuances and regional markets. With Buzz Marketing Agency's presence in the USA, UAE, and Pakistan, we have gained invaluable insights into the Asian market, allowing us to navigate its intricacies and unlock untapped opportunities. By tailoring our strategies to align with the diverse preferences and behaviors of the Asian audience, we have achieved remarkable success in promoting brands effectively and maximizing their growth potential. I take immense pride in my role as a catalyst for business growth, and I believe that success lies not only in devising innovative strategies but also in fostering collaborative partnerships. By working closely with clients, we gain a deep understanding of their vision, enabling us to create bespoke marketing plans that align with their goals. Together, we embark on a transformative journey, leveraging our expertise to elevate their brands and realize their dreams. In conclusion, my commitment to business promotion, advertising, and marketing knows no bounds. I stand here today, ready to bring my extensive experience, innovative mindset, and unwavering dedication to help you unlock your full potential. Together, let us embark on a remarkable journey, fueling your business's growth and leaving an indelible mark on the Asian market. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to collaborating with you in achieving unparalleled success.